Welcome to your Renati OS device, a security-first mobile operating system. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to set up ChatMail for the first time so you can send encrypted messages and calls and manage your encrypted notes and photos. First, open ChatMail. On the login screen, type in the email address and password given to you at your time of purchase. Press Activate and wait while your credentials are verified. Only basic account info and encrypted user backups are stored on our servers. Select Allow to let ChatMail to run in the background and again to confirm. Now set your new password. It should be at least 12 characters long, containing upper and lowercase characters, 2 numbers, and a symbol. For the best security, it should also be different from your Renati device password. Confirm by typing it in again, and then click on Create Key. Now you can unlock ChatMail using the new password you just created. Click on Allow to enable ChatMail to send you notifications, toggle on the System button, and click the back arrow. Now you're all set and can start communicating with other ChatMail contacts. Follow us for more tips to make the most of your secure, trusted companion.